Hey y'all, it's Kaylee. Have you seen where you can turn yourself into a GIF, whatever? Anyways, have you seen it? Because I've been watching Hey Ashely G and Elementary in the Mitten, and I've been watching how they create their GIFs, and I have become so obsessed. So I wanted to figure out how I could do mine and put it into my TPT Quote Box. So in today's tutorial, we're going to talk about how to turn yourself into a GIF, how to create the quote box for your TPT store, how to put yourself into said quote box, and then how to upload it all into TPT. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first thing that you're going to want to do is pull out your iPhone and take a photo. Make sure that the live button is turned on as well as the 3-second timer is turned on so that you can use both of your hands when you take your photo, okay? Next, I'm gonna go to a photo that I've already taken. I'm gonna brighten it up a little bit. You can play around with the contrast, the highlights, the whole 9 yards, whatever you wanna do. But make sure you save the photo, okay? Then you're going to swipe up from that photo and select the bounce button. From there, you're going to make sure that it turns into like a little boomerang and you can decide if you like it like that. Then you're done, okay? Let's move on to the next step.
Okay, so I forgot to mention, if you are a Mac user, you can just AirDrop, but this was the easiest way as a PC user that I could figure out to get my MOV file. So I had to plug in my iPhone, go to the File Explorer, go to the DCIM folder, and then search for my movie file, and then I could drag and drop. Guys, there's gotta be an easier way. Comment below if you know. Oh, technology.
Okay, so the next step that you're going to want to do is you're going to take that said video and drag it into unscreen.com. I'm going to wait a few seconds because it's going to take a little bit for it to take out the background and all that stuff. Then once it's finally done, okay, it's finally done. You're going to select the GIF button and then select download. And then we're going to move on to the next step. Okay, so the next step would be creating the quote box, okay? So I already have one already pre-created that is already used up in my store. Let's go and see the slide size. It is 4x7 by 1.601. I don't know how I got those dimensions. Don't ask me. All right, so I'm going to duplicate it. I'm going to get rid of this apple. Everything there. Alright, I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. I'm going to have to go to the selection pane and select all the text and make it smaller. Okay, now I'm going to move it just a little bit over here so that when I insert my GIF or my GIF or whatever you want to call it, there's enough room over here. Okay, you're going to File, Save As, and save it as a JPEG. Okay. All right. So next, you're going to go to Canva.com. You're going to select Creative Design, Custom Dimensions. You're going to make sure it's in inches. You're going to do 4x7 by 1.601, which are the same dimensions as the quote box I created in PowerPoint. Next, I'm going to go to my uploads. I'm going to upload an image. As you can tell, there's a bunch of them that I've already created. But this is the one that I want. Okay, drag it and drop. See how it doesn't fit? I'm gonna right click, set image as background. Then I'm gonna go and insert my GIF. Okay, I've already got a couple of them up here, and this is the one that I want. So I'm gonna drag it and drop it and adjust the size. Okay, that's the way that I want it. I'm gonna go down here to download. and they have a GIF option down here. Then I'm going to select download, and it is going to take it a few seconds for it to come to my downloads box, and then I'm going to save this in a folder. Alright, so now that I have it saved in my folder, I'm going to change this quote box to the one with my GIF. So to do that, I'm going to go up here, My Account, go to Store Profile. We're going to change this personal quote box. Go to Edit. I'm going to choose File. Going to select this one. Okay. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and make sure I hit Save. And it may not show that it's actually working right now, but once you click Save, and you can wait a minute or two, but it should automatically save and then upload to your TPT store. So let's see if that worked. And there you go, guys. So I hope that video was super helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you are looking for more tips and tricks for your Teachers Pay Teacher store, make sure you hit that subscribe button and show me some love by giving me some likes and some comments below. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye! Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is pull up your iPhone. Take a photo.